Hi guys, Yiannis here from SKAN Academy. Today video dealing with replace the old oil boiler with a new one. What we have to know when that has to be done. Disclaimer, this is the channel we entertain as we answer your questions and help you better understanding your heating system. This is general advice to point you in the right direction. When your heating system is not working, please call certified registered engineer. Your safety comes first. Do not rely on social media or YouTube videos regarding the heating system. Make sure you get the professional support when you need it. Heating business are strictly regulated by various bodies in the UK. Please leave your questions in the comments area and I promise you I will answer you all the questions in the next video. Okay, let's dive in then. Simply replace an old boiler with a new boiler. When that's happened, signs you need to consider, you need a new boiler. First of all, I put it in the end, but I have to start with this one. If the boiler is anytime between 12 and 20 years old, we have to consider to replace. Not without the reason when we have the following issues. Frequently breakdowns. Bear in mind, over 15 years old the boilers, they have frequently breakdowns. And of course we can repair it as long as you wish, but we have to consider what is cheaper, to repair and maintain the old boiler or we replace with a new one. Higher fuel bills. Yes, an old boiler has less efficiency, as a result it more fuel. Inconsistent heating is not really reliable in our system. And strange noise is a very big topic. Just to let you know, when the boilers start gaggling, sizzing, it's something we have to consider for a new one. And now let's go to the most interesting topic and choosing the right one. An oil combi boiler is suitable for small properties with one bathroom. System boilers for medium and large properties when we have unvented cylinder. And conventional boiler is the very old, the boiler for old properties and slightly new as well, depends the application, but the conventional boiler normally is a very old properties when we cannot really replace the flue with a balanced flue because we have sometimes restrictions by the authorities if it's listed. Now, when we anyway choose the right boiler, we have to always take the opinion of the certified off-tech